Hello again, guys. Once again, hello, good day. So, today's video, I'm gonna do unboxing. It's from Deborah Orat. This is from Deborah Orat. Package again and the second time around. Thank you so much, Miss Deb. So, I really don't have idea what is in the box, but yeah, thank you once again. So, we're gonna do open this box. Wait just a minute. LBC. So this is the second time around.
Bra, lagi mi.
Bra ni panty. Bra daw bra. Bra panty.
Panty.
I don't know. Grabe naman ni Sis Deb. Oy, thank you so much for the love, Sis Deb.
Merry Christmas.
This is the second time Sis Deb
Merry
sent me.
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
So this is the second time around. Hindi ko talaga. Wow! Another toy. Oh, baby Chris. Ka-Chris daw. Baby Chris. It's for Chris David.
Mami po. Kami na ikaw na ko. Yaya, you like toys? Imo ka na.
Kanina lang yung suoto ni Quarty Tishin. Wala ka Chris. Mani good. Ara Tishin. Napagani abi. So, wow.
I like car.
Mag-ano to guys? Oh, toys na yun. Ay, isa! Naman ay battery good. Oh, there is a car. La, uy, pag-thank you ni Mami Deb, uy. Ato, thank you ni Mami Deb. So, this is
Thank
for...
you, Mami Deb.
Ay, ginaan.
Palihan mi ani ni. Palihan mi ani ni Sangsang mi.
This one is for Sis Ibsor. Ay, this is mine. My name, guys, my name. Wow, I love you, Sis Deb. Thank you so much. Uy, hala, may panty. Ayaw sa ate Shin. Guys, may panty lock. Ay, totoo talaga to, Sis Deb. Hala. Uy, in fairness, small lang to. Wow, parang panty to. Ayan. Ay, isa panty short. Panty short siya. Hala ka diha. Ayan. Ano siya, guys? 2, 3, 4. Wow, thank you so much. Ay, panty na tayo, guys. Uy, ginoo. Thank you. La happy yarn. Ay, wow. Nakita sa tuwang dughanan ani ay. Oh, crop top. Uy na. Uy, pang jog. Uy, I like this. Thank you. Thank you, Sis Deb. Mana ko'y pang jogging. Excited si Shane. Ay, baby Shane. Baby day ka. Baby Shane. Ay, di na ako makabay og pang party ni Shane. Ano siya? Ano siya for Christmas party niya? Wow. Wow. Asa ti? La. Cute kayo na ti. Una, paris na niya ti sa niya. May ko na. Pang choy-choy man anak paris na niya. Ayan. Dayon, lupa. Short. Kana. Short pot. Cute.
May rabbit lagi ni sa namin.
Kanina lagi mo isuot ka party type pwede naman natin. Uy, ano style man na good. Style shirt. Dili, ako pwede lang yung shirt.
Ay, butanan ko ni Batil.
Wow, good guys. Saya kaputi ano.
Dili ako ay.
Oh, later kay napa ko gipuan. Next. Uy, may chanelas. Uy, abi na kung ako. Baby Chris and Baby Sheen. Oy, kapalangga man. Oy, thank you so much, Sis Deb. Oh, this is for Chris. And this is for Shane. Uy, happy yarn. Sis Lorna. Oh, Ate Lorna. Di ko ka makalimtan ni Sis Deb. Oh, you have your Ate Lorna. Sis Ibso. Ay! Ay, dali ko ganahan. Murag, may wish na naging akong bagyot. I love you, Sis Deb. I'm happy kayo, Char. Wow, ka-cute. Belinda. Cute.
Ano sige kasi na isuduan niya? Ako awalay supplies. Mga supplies lang sa school.
Magduwa pa dahil ka.
Di ba mga
Wow.
supplies lang sa school? Bata, di ka Shin.
Bata. Mau na, diha, Ate Shin. Bata dahil ka.
Ano, pwede ka nang dili lang gawaan ka ng mga supplies. Dili kay.
Okay, you better thankful someone give you.
Balik ka ng kain yung magot.
Oy, thank you. Ay, happy yarn.
Dito na laban, eh.
Halabang. Kani kay ako Kani ako
Kadali, kadali.
Right. Wow, thank you so much, Sis Deb. I love you. In fairness.
Hugot na, dadis na lang sa nina. Ayun.
Tinit. Oy, ginahan ko na. Ano siya pilay-lay ba tayo? Thank you so much, Sis Deb. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Oh. Thank you. And thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you so much again, Sis Deb. Yes. Uy, gano'n na takalabot kita, Deb. Thank you. Bye-bye.